Here we come to the elevator at Building A. This is the other elevator, and this is at Pima Community College West Campus in Tucson, Arizona. We have Innovation Bruiser fixtures, and this used to be a Dover Impulse, and it has since been modernized. Let's start by going down. It's coming down right now, and I think it's here. Button goes out. Just a second, it'll go out. There it goes. And it's here. We have a rear door at the center opening and a front door that's single slide. There's the old COP. Actually, I'm not sure if this was a Dover Impulse or not. GL interlock. Let's look up the shaft. And we got nudge mode. Capacity is 3,500 pounds. Innovation Bruiser fixtures. And which door is going to open? It's going to be this one. Alright, let's go up to 2. Alright. Door close button does not work. And we'll listen to the motor. Button already goes out. Here we're on 2. And we will go down now. Well, I'm back down to G. Well, I'm not sure what this door does. We have a rear door, and I think they used to be the old COP. Well, I'm not sure if this is actually a door anymore. This is weird. It's quite interesting. Again, this is a very nice elevator. I really like the cab. This was a very good modernization, but I do wish it was original. And we'll end it down at here. We'll ring the bell one last time. And here it goes. And that's gonna be it. That's it.